Here is the mistake that trips up a lot of new business owners. They chase credit first, then try to clean up the business setup later. That is like buying kitchen cabinets before pouring the concrete for the house. Lenders want to see a real company, not a hobby wearing a business name tag. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover why a legal entity is crucial for funding. Learn the steps to register your LLC or corporation. Find out how to get your free federal EIN. Choose the right registered agent for you, and keep your business compliant and thriving. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Legal entity. A business that is officially recognized by the state as separate from the owner. LLC. A common type of business structure. Corporation. Another type of business structure that is separate from the owner. EIN. A federal tax ID number for a business. Registered agent. A person or company listed to receive official mail and legal notices for the business. Good standing. The state shows the business as active, current, and not missing required filings or fees. Risk profile. The full story a lender uses to decide how risky you look. Now let's jump in. A legal entity is a business that the state can recognize as separate from you. Common choices are an LLC or a corporation. Think of it like giving your business its own report card at school. If everything is under your personal name, lenders may see you and the business as one messy backpack. Your first action step is to register the LLC or corporation with your state, usually through the Secretary of State website. You choose the exact legal name, file the form, and pay the state fee. This name matters. If the state says ABC Cleaning LLC, do not open accounts as ABC Cleaners or ABC Cleaning Company. Next, get an EIN from the IRS. EIN means Employer Identification Number. It is like a social security number for the business. The IRS gives it for free on irs.gov. Be careful here. Some websites charge you for something you can do free. Use the exact legal name and the same address you plan to use everywhere. Every LLC or corporation needs a registered agent. That is the person or company that receives official mail and legal notices for the business. Think of them like the front desk at an apartment building. If important mail comes in, someone responsible has to accept it. Some owners use themselves. Others hire a registered agent service. Forming the entity is not a one-time magic trick. Most states want yearly reports, fees, or updates. Good standing means the state still sees your company as active and current. It is like keeping your car registration up to date. If it expires, you may still own the car, but driving gets risky fast. Here is the part most people never hear. Lenders do not only look at scores, they look at the whole risk profile. Your business name, address, phone, EIN, state record, bank account, and credit applications should match. If one place says Suite 200 and another says Apt B, the system may get nervous. Before you apply for trade lines, vendor accounts, gas cards, or business credit cards, make sure the company is already formed. A trade line is an account that can show on a credit report. You want those accounts reporting to the business, not floating around under the wrong name. Build the house on the foundation, not beside it.